is fresh olive season. So we picked up some fresh green olives, and I'm going to show you how we get them ready to cure them. So we're going to wash them first. If there's any bruised ones like this one, you're going to put them to the side. If any of them have stems, we're going to take them off, so that we're going to look through them as we wash them. So before we start cracking them with like a mallet, we're going to put X's at the bottom, just like this. Just a little X, you don't even see it, but that'll prevent them from floating to the top when they're soaked. So now it's time to sketch our list. So you're gonna get your olives and a meat mallet. So you're just pretty much gonna bang it with force, but not too much because you don't want it to fall apart. You want it to stay intact. Like this is good. So it's cracked, but yet still held together. Okay, see, just like this. So for the water to salt content, it's a gallon of water to a half a cup of kosher salt. Not regular salt, it has to be kosher salt. And then you just dissolve it. So now I filled the jar with the olives. I have garlic cloves and bay leaves. Now I'm gonna take a cheesecloth, just wet it. And this I'm gonna keep on top. And then I'm gonna fill it with the water solution. That's all like the salted water. So I'm gonna fill it to the top, and that cheesecloth is gonna hold it down. So even though they do float a little bit, they don't come to the top where it's always submerged. So at this point, now we're done. We're just gonna close this up. You're gonna store it in a cool, dry place and let it hang out for about 10 days. We're gonna check it at that point. If it's still a little bitter, it can hang out another 5 days after that. Then, once they're ready, then I'll show you how we dress them.